Welcome to the Suerte del Molino farm, Andalusia in Spain. Once again, we learn to look up. Don't eat my flower. I just passed by and I saw these purple flowers. And then I looked up and my jacaranda is flowering. I picked a seed up 3 years ago in Aracena, and now I can enjoy the flowers. In the southern hemisphere, when we wrote final exams at university, that is the time it used to flower. And they said if you walk by and the flower falls on your head, you will pass your exam. I'm going to sit here under the tree now the whole day and see what will fall on my head and see what I will pass. Here we are in a battle zone between the Sahara Desert and the Atlantic Ocean. For 2-3 days we had 100 Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. It was clear that the Sahara is winning, but today the Atlantic is hitting back. The temperature is almost halved, and this is a good day to release my duckweed. It has been sitting in here for a few days just to acclimatize and to see what invader animals come with it. But not that I have any idea what I'm looking for, but that's why I will release them. Also, they should be in some shade, especially initially. I will release them here on the western side to have some protection from the sun. I hope they will grow well. I have some papyrus growing there. I have some grasses in there that I took from another pond to inoculate this one. And there is still some water in the pond. But it's a little bit a story. I added some water through the pipe from the green square inflatable water tank, just to keep the water circulated in there. So let's put it out. Good luck, guys. I have more in another bucket that I will save and see how these are doing. I have 2 priorities with this duckweed to see if I can cut down on evaporation from this water, and also to have some weed for the ducks. Some feed for the ducks. That will be great. The chick report, still 6 of them. Good. They are so alive, these animals. Six ducklings still alive. They are getting more and more active by the day. And then Mrs. Duck is sitting on the eggs almost permanently, which is great. Another 34 days, lady. Hang in there. There is a string placed in this area for the last few months. It's running all around here. And when the people ask me why is it for, I say to keep the dogs out. And they look at me a little bit confusingly. I like it, confuse people. The reason for this is I am trying to preserve this plant. This is the wild chicory. And these flowers only come out in the morning. And tomorrow these flowers are gone, although new flowers will be out tomorrow. It is Chicory intybus, the Latin name. Here it's also called endive amarga, the bitter endive. There are many kinds, very small plants and large plants. This is huge. It's almost 2 meters tall. And I am happy to have them here. One day I'll make some coffee. It's a good pollinator. It is good food for the animals. And also people use it here, the leaves in a salad. And obviously when times are tough, you make coffee from the root. Now it's also official. The trickle in the creek came to an end somehow. This is the top part of it. Then it disappears in the sand. Oh, I also have to say, oleander. The flowers are out. And this is also how they identify creeks in Andalusia, to take satellite pictures this time of the year, and wherever it is this pink color of the oleander flowers, they know there is a creek. I used to stand here and grab the tree and swing myself up or down, and I pulled a muscle in the side of my back, which is quite painful. And then after it happened the third time, I decided to make some steps here. I'm very slow, but eventually I get there. Till next time, goodbye.